Hey everybody, Sean Tennis here, and today I wanted to talk about car insurance, and specifically, I wanted to know how familiar you are with your car insurance policy. Aside from your premium you pay every month, what else do you know about your policy? Do you know any of the limits? Do you know the different types of coverages included in your insurance? If the answer to these questions are no, that's a potential issue. One of the biggest things that insurance companies sell on for their insurance products is price. They know people like to see a low price. They don't want to see a big hit out of their bank account every month for that premium. But what happens is if you go too far in the other direction in trying to save money, you're not going to have enough insurance coverage if something should happen. So for New Hampshire, the minimum amount of bodily injury coverage you can have is $25,000, and for Massachusetts it's $20,000. So for an example, if you caused a car crash, say you rear-ended somebody and they had $100,000 in medical bills and you only have $25,000 in insurance coverage, this is going to put you in a difficult spot in that you could be open to potential personal liability if that person decides to bring a lawsuit against you. So it's really important to make sure you have enough coverage to cover whatever you need, because if you are not insured enough, things like your house could be at risk, and it's all about risk. You're putting yourself at risk if you don't have enough insurance coverage. And the only reason you don't is because you probably don't know, or because you're trying to save that money per month. And honestly, it's better off to make sure you have the full and complete insurance coverage that you have for when the need arises, because if you discover that you don't have enough insurance coverage and it's too late, there's nothing you're going to be able to do about it, and you've already opened yourself up to that risk. So it's incredibly important that you know what's included in your insurance, the limits of your insurance, and all that sort of information. So I highly suggest that you look into that, and if you aren't sure, I know the exact person you can talk to for help with that. So that's what I want to talk about today, is just the importance of insurance coverage and making sure you have a firm understanding of it. Again, my name is Sean Tennis. I'm with the Injury Law Center. Please feel free to like and share my video, and I will see you next week.